Today we will do another expansion question, which is 2a plus 3b whole cube minus 2a minus 3b whole cube. Here we will take 2a plus 3b as x and 2a minus 3b equal to y. So taking as x and y, so this equation will become as x cube minus y cube, because we have put the value of x in this bracket and y in this bracket. So we have got x cube and y cube. Now we will apply the identity of a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b and a square plus b square plus ab. Now we will apply this identity in this question, which comes to as x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y x square plus y square plus xy. Now we will put again the value of x and y in the bracket in the answer we have got, which will come as 2a plus 3b and minus 2a minus 3b, and now we will put x and y value here, which is 2a plus 3b square plus 2a minus 3b whole square plus 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b. Now we will solve this bracket, which now we will remove this bracket. On removing, the answer of this bracket will come as, here we will 2a plus 3b. Now we will open this bracket and minus sign will multiply to 2a and minus 3b, which comes to as minus 2a plus 3b. Now we will apply the identity of a plus b whole square in this bracket, to which we will get answer as 4a square plus 9b square plus 12ab. Now same again we will apply the identity of a minus b whole square in this bracket. As we have applied the identity of a plus b whole square, we will apply the identity of a minus b whole square in this bracket, to which we will get as 4a square plus 9b square minus 12ab. And now we will multiply these two brackets, to which we can also use the identity of a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square, to which it comes as 4a square minus 9b square. Now we will solve of these two brackets, which comes to as this 2a will cancel each other because of opposite sign, and this 3b and this 3b will add, which comes to as 6b, and this 4 square, this 4 square, this 4 square will add, which comes to as 4, 4, 8, 12, 12a square, this 9b square, this 9b square, and this 9b square will cancel this 9b square, then only 9b square will left, and this 12ab will cancel this 12ab, with this answer will come, and this is our answer.